Hey friends! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a brand new Solana airdrop and show you exactly how to claim Solana tokens in just a few simple steps. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. I'm constantly searching for promising crypto projects that could potentially boost your portfolio, and I bring them to you as fast as possible. As you already know, the world of crypto airdrops is exciting and full of opportunities, and this is definitely not something you want to miss. First, I'll briefly explain what this airdrop is all about, and then I'll personally demonstrate the entire claiming process step by step. I'll leave the official participation link in the description below the video. The official website is sols-program.com. Be careful and don't fall for fake copies. The Solana Airdrop is a distribution method used by projects building on the Solana blockchain. They give away free tokens to users, often as part of a marketing campaign or to reward early supporters. These distributions help raise awareness, encourage engagement, and accelerate token circulation within the Solana ecosystem. Now let's move on to claiming the tokens. Step 1. Make sure you have some Solana in your wallet to meet the activity requirements. Next, go to the official website sols-program.com. The link is in the description below. Then, connect your wallet, preferably the one that has been more active and has interacted with the Solana network before. During the connection process, a confirmation window will appear. Carefully review it and confirm the connection. After that, you simply wait for the tokens to be credited to your wallet. I highly recommend taking advantage of this opportunity and participating in the airdrop. It could be a great way to grow your crypto holdings. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below the video and I'll be happy to help. Good luck to everyone, and let's get those tokens.